name is Rachel, and my classroom setting would be a 6th grade classroom. They already know English. And I have modified this Desmos. There was 9 slides. I got rid of the last one because I didn't really like it that much, and I added 4 more. I am going to be talking about unit rate. I want them to understand that the measurement of 2 quantities can correlate with each other, and I am assuming that they know how to look at a graph and plot some points. So let me take you through my lesson. This is my first slide. This slide I just want them to see as the x stays at 1 and the y goes up, the line goes up. It's like a correlation. That's what I want them to see. So that's what that block dot represents. I want them to observe what they see in this one, and they can share it with their class so they can see other people's ideas and how they relate to one another, and maybe create their own. So again, unit rate, I want them to look at 2 different types of measurements and how they correlate with each other. So on this one, they see dollars and ice cream. And the next one is how it relates to each other. So I basically, hopefully they'll say that if you buy more ice cream, the dollar goes up, something like that. Again, share with the class so they can see other people's ideas and share their own. So for this one, it's the same one, and they get to move it again, but it stays at 1 ice cream. And they get to make a ridiculous price. If they want it to be, I don't know, 20, they can like do that, you know. Oops, sorry. They can write their rate, so they make their own. It's not like you're giving it, they can have fun with it and they make their own rate. This one, the unit rate is given because again, it's an intro. So they get $2 per order of nachos, and they need to find another rate. It could be as simple as order of nachos right down here. Let's put 5. And how much would it be? So they go up the 5. Oh, 10. $10. Easy as that. They would enter the rate right here. This one, I made this one. So you and a friend want to buy a slice of pizza each. It is $3.50 for each slice. How much is 2 slices? So I'm hoping they would do X right here too. And then for the dollars, they would go up to 7. Right? I mean, they don't have to do that one. They can make it more challenging if they want, but that's probably the easiest one. And then they would enter their rate from the slide before to this one. So what did I say, 2 to 7? So for this one is probably the challenge one. I didn't give them a rate. I didn't really give them anything. All I did, I gave them miles per hour, and then I give them seconds. And I give them a line. I did try to make it a little easier on Desmos because I wasn't really sure how to make it work the best way. So I just did this one. And let's say, look, so X is 1. So after 1 second, the miles per hour is 8. And then I want them to find another one. Again, 2 to 16, so on and so forth. On the last slide, they will write their unit rate. And again, that's like my challenge one to see if they fully and truly understand it. So in this lesson, the 2 features that I used is 1, creating a graph, playing with the points, have a movable dot. What I really liked that I don't really think we touched based on in Desmos was this graphing. I think this graphing is awesome because it's a good visual for the kids, and they can plot a point on here, and it probably won't be on the line, so they know that that's not a good unit rate. So that's another reason. I really liked this a lot. So, yeah, that is my lesson. Thank you.